Hey everybody, well look at here, We got another food review, a food review. Some of you guys have been asking for a food review, and I like to try to get, whatever my viewers want, if I'm able. So, tonight we're having pot pie. I don't know what kind of pot pie, but that's what they give me, nothing else with it. Just pot pie. And it's served in this thing. And then they put it on this thing. And I think I have a fork around here somewhere. I'll just use a spoon. Alright, well, let's see, it's a chicken pot pie. Let's see how it tastes. It looks like it's store-bought. Yeah, microwavable, because it's got a cardboard bowl underneath it, or microwave-safe bowl. And I didn't used to like the crust of pot pies, but now I do. Gives it kind of a snap or a crunch. But yep. Oh, and Earwig Earl, thank you for sticking up for me when that guy was trying to throw it in my face that he says I've had enough food. I appreciate it. Thank you. And I've been reading all your other guys, all my other viewers' comments, and I'm going to try to meet all of them, okay? I'm going to try my best to meet all of you guys' requests, okay? I promise to try. Okay, well, it's bouncy on my jiggly belly. But this is how I like my chicken pot pie. A lot of pepper. And maybe a little bit of salt, but not much because salt's not good for me. Gotta give it a little bit of taste though. Salt. That should be enough. Yeah. I got pepper everywhere. I'm holding my camera phone with one hand and trying to eat without being able to hold on to my bowl with the other hand because I don't have a tripod or a real camera. This is a real camera, but it's on a phone. Okay, we'll see how it tastes. Pretty darn good, actually. So y'all know how small pot pies are. I'm getting one. Excuse me. I don't have any teeth, so it's hard to chew. Plus, I'm talking with my mouth full, which I shouldn't do, but no teeth, hard to chew, so I choke it down. Whew. I'm gonna have to get off this camera here because I gotta try to control this, but it tastes pretty good. It's a little pot pie. That's what I'm having for dinner tonight. Tastes pretty darn good, actually. May not be much, but how am I gonna lose weight if I don't eat small portions, you know? Oh, and I also got red Kool-Aid. Yep. So, this is my dinner tonight, and it's wonderful. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys on the next one.